Fred Miller, Canadian wood craftsman. Today we're looking at a piece, a cherry stereo cabinet that was custom made for a kitchen client of mine. He has this fabulous stereo with a Russian tube amp. One of the problems with tube amps is they generate a lot of heat, so we had to accommodate that. The way we did that was with this tool chest front on here. The tube amp sits right in the top. When the top comes up, the front just hinges back onto the lid. That way the whole front's open, the top's open, and the back, as you can see, is open as well. That's the ample heat escape that builds up in the tube amp. The rest of the equipment below, it's not that big a deal down there for heat, but it's nicely stored away behind smoked glass, wood frame glass doors. The previous video I shot of me tacking those cleats into the glass delicately was this piece. Pull-out tray for the turntable. The rest is for equipment. A lot of people ask, well, why should I buy custom-made items? Well, there's two good examples of why right here. One's this tool chest front. I mean, that's just not a solution that you would come up with in any kind of factory-made setting. The other is just a simple little thing like this finger hole for the doors. You may say, well, what's custom about that? Well, not only is it custom, but it's personalized to the owner of this cabinet, because the owner is a sailor. And very often on sailboats you see nice little finger holes in the cabinets, and it gives it a very nautical feel. So when I thought of this idea for him and sent him an email saying, hey, what do you think of this? He was all over it. So there are advantages to custom made, and that's just two of them. There's a lot more. We'll cover more on those in the future. So I hope you like it. It's all curly cherry, the top. I'm sure the camera's not in close enough to give you a good tour. I may post some stills of the beautiful figure in the wood. But that's the piece. And I'll be heading to Hope Bay to deliver this piece to him tomorrow. And I'll be shooting video and stills of this bird's eye maple kitchen that I made for the same gentleman. And I'll be posting those. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, perhaps now's the time to do so. And you'll get notification of when that bird's eye maple kitchen gets posted on